You always want what you can't have, and while you had it, you always want what you can't have.
Apple's Time Flies announcement event on September 15th may focus on the Watch 6 and iPad Air 4, among many other things, but the iPhone 12 quartet is right behind it, and the leaks keep coming. This time around, it's turn for the alleged 6.1 iPhone 12 Pro chassis to shine in its white knight armor, and we get to see the flatter iPhone 5's sides, the potential new lighter camera placement on the back, and a whole lot of 5G antenna clips all around, indicating that this might be a wave model for networks like Verizon's. Apple iPhone 12 series cases confirm the flat sides. The flatter sides are also confirmed by the maker of one of the best thin and light iPhone cases around, Totally, which is already done with its iPhone 12 series. Apple iPhone 12 Pro camera specs. These are basically all the new features to expect from the iPhone 12 series, along with some serious camera upgrades in terms of sensor or pixel size, and the lens layers count upgrade from 6P to 7P across the full 2020 iPhone board. Needless to say, there will also be under-the-hood upgrades like a faster Apple A14 processor and more memory, but the most visible changes the ones of the chassis you can have a look at below. The new development, of course, is that the smaller Pro model may get a lighter camera as well, while previously only the 6.7 iPhone 12 Pro Max, or whatever it gets named, was the one rumored to be graced with Apple's deep scanning camera that is currently present only on the latest iPad Pro. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.